The common belief about bullets fired upward.
Many people think a bullet fired straight into the air can return with deadly force. This belief often appears in movies and news stories, raising concerns about stray bullets causing harm when they fall back to the ground. But what does the science actually say? Let's examine the real risks of celebratory gunfire and the physics behind falling bullets.
Physics. What happens to upward-fired bullets?
When a bullet is fired straight up, gravity slows it down until it stops, then pulls it back to Earth. As it falls, air resistance slows it further. Most bullets tumble unpredictably during descent, slowing even more compared to aerodynamic flight. The bullet eventually reaches a constant speed called terminal velocity, which is much lower than its initial speed.
How dangerous is the returning bullet?
As bullets that fall back purely from gravity usually reach terminal velocities between 100 and 200 miles per hour. This speed is still enough to break skin and potentially cause injury or, in rare cases, death, especially if the bullet strikes a vulnerable area like the head. Most falling bullets cannot penetrate deeply like bullets fired directly at a target.
The greater risk, bullets not fired straight up.
The real danger comes when bullets are fired at an angle, not straight up. Angled shots retain more of their initial velocity and travel in an arc, hitting the ground, often far away, with much greater force. These bullets remain fast enough to be as lethal as if fired directly at a target. Many incidents involving celebratory gunfire involve angled, not vertical shots.
Conclusion. The real risks of firing into the air.
While a bullet falling straight down is less deadly than a shot fired at an angle, it can still injure or even kill. The practice of firing guns into the air remains dangerous and unpredictable. It is never safe to shoot bullets skyward in celebration or otherwise, as they can harm people, often far from where the shot was fired.